we're calculating consciousness impact metrics, and we encounter the fundamental mathematical operation for statistical analyses. Average consciousness assigned to some entity consciousness level for entity in self-entity database values divided by ln self.entity database. This demonstrates how to calculate statistical means efficiently using sum. Got generator expressions and division, creating efficient statistical calculations for data analyses. This mathematical average formula implemented in Python sum entity consciousness level for entity in self.entity database.values aggregates all consciousness values. Ln self.entity database counts the total number of entities. The / performs division to convert the total into an average. This implements the mathematical formula average equals sum of values divided by count of values. If we have a list of consciousness levels of 0.7, 0.8, 0.3, 0.9, and 0.6, then sum calculates 0.7 plus 0.8 plus 0.3 plus 0.9 plus 0.6 and provides 3.3 as the total. Then ln returns 5 entities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total number of items. So we've got the total amount, the total number, and the division. We've got the average consciousness there. This same pattern repeats for manifestation stability, creating comprehensive statistical analyses of your 4D entity population. This combines multiple Python concepts efficiently. Generator expressions for memory-efficient data access, sum for aggregation, ln for counting, and division for mathematical conversion from totals to averages. The mathematical operation breaks down complex statistical analysis into simple, readable Python that produces scientifically meaningful results, transforming individual entity measurements into population-level insights that reveal patterns in 4D consciousness and manifestation stability across your entire entity database.